Okay, so the first topic in the life process is nutrition. What is nutrition? What is this life process? If we talk about what is nutrition, it is a process of intake of nutrients, intake of food. Intake of nutrients means intake of food, because in the food only there are nutrients. Intake of nutrients and its utilization by the body for growth and development. That means whatever nutrients we are taking in the food, that is utilized by the body, by our body, for what? For growth and development. That is what? Nutrition. So intake of food and its utilization by the body for the growth and development. Nutrition process, if we talk about its types, mode of nutrition, there are two modes of nutrition. दो तरह के होते हैं, autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic, auto and trophos, there are two words. Auto means self, trophos means nourishment. That means the mode of nutrition in which the organism can nourish himself, herself. Not himself, herself, because this is about plants. Only green plants are autotrophs. So the organism can prepare its own food inside its body. That is self-nourishment. Autotrophic mode of nutrition takes place in the green plants only. Only green plants can prepare its food inside its body. Rest of the organism can't. Now heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Hetero and trophos. Hetero means other. Other means of nourishment. Other means of nourishment means the mode of nourishment which is not self, in which organism can't prepare food inside its own body, but it depends upon other organisms for their body. That is what? That is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Other mode of nutrition, other means of nourishment, जिसमें ऑर्गेनिज्म खुद से अपनी बॉडी में नहीं फूड बनाते बट दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं फॉर देयर नरिशमेंट. दैट मीन्स ऑल द नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स. एग्जाम्पल क्या होंगे? ऑल द नॉन ग्रीन plants and of course animals can't show autotrophic mode of nutrition. So in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about what is autotrophic mode of nutrition. So autotrophic mode of nutrition, what is this? Autotrophic mode of nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food by utilizing the inorganic raw materials. That means organism जो है वो अपना खुद का खाना बनाते हैं. How? By using the raw materials. What are the raw materials? जैसे as we human cook our food by using so many kinds of raw materials, है ना, बहुत सारे raw materials use करते हैं, then cook करते हैं, then food बनाते हैं. Just like that, autotrophs also needs raw materials to prepare their own food. बस फर्क क्या है कि they prepare their own food inside their body, but we don't. We have to need a cooktop vessel. There only in the vessel we can cook. But green plants inside their body. यही फर्क है autotrophs and heterotrophs में. So by utilizing the inorganic raw materials, जो raw materials surrounding में है, those are in fact inorganic, and by utilizing the inorganic raw materials, they prepare the organic food. Inorganic चीजों को लिया, उससे organic food बनाया. That is what? That is the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, so autotrophic mode of nutrition जो भी organism show करते हैं, those are called autotrophs. Organisms which can show autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Example, green plants. Now, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What is this heterotrophic mode of nutrition? So, heterotrophic mode of nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organism derive energy from the food prepared by autotrophs. That means autotrophs ने जो inorganic raw material से organic food तैयार किया, उस food को use करते हैं, लेते हैं for getting energy to do various kinds of work. Why this energy is required? ये जो energy है, derive energy चाहिए, energy heterotrophs या autotrophs, सबको energy चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? To perform various kinds of life process. तो इसके लिए energy चाहिए. अब from where heterotrophs get that energy? From the food which is prepared by autotrophs or green plants. तो जो green plants ने inorganic raw material से organic food तैयार किया, that is also utilized by heterotrophs for getting energy, for doing various kinds of work. Okay. Now heterotrophs ट्रैफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन शो करने वाले ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम क्या बोलेंगे? हेट्रोट्रॉप्स. सो हेट्रोट्रॉप्स आर ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच डिपेंड्स अपॉन ऑटोट्रॉप्स फॉर देयर फूड. दोज आर कॉल्ड हेट्रोट्रॉप्स. नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. नाउ हेट्रोट्रॉफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन के भी कई सारे टाइप्स हैं, दैट विल डिस्कस लेटर. क्या क्या टाइप्स हैं? पैरासिटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, जब होस्ट बॉडी के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं फूड के लिए. सैप्रोफिटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन और सैप्रोट्रॉफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, जब डेड एंड डिकेड मैटर पे फूड लेते हैं. एंड व्हाट एल्स? इंसेक्टिवोरस मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, दिस इज अबाउट प्लांट्स जो इंसेक्ट्स के ऊपर फीड करते हैं. एंड symbiotic mode of nutrition, when two organisms live together on for mutual benefit, symbiotic. And one more we can add, that is holozoic mode of nutrition, intake of food through mouth or some other body part and digestion, that is holozoic. तो ये सारा heterotrophic के types हैं, that we will discuss later. In the next video, we'll discuss about autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is photosynthesis. Till that, bye-bye.